I see a lot of people who've been here over the years, who've advanced with the competition, who've advanced in their society, and I think it's been a great, great opportunity for all of us to work together. There's so many great stories. We used to say in Times Square, there's a story in every individual. I think there's a story in each person who's here in terms of their individual goals, their hopes, their aspirations, and how they're realized partly through this moot court competition. So thank you very much, and I hope that you all make it into the next round.
The second of which is that the contacts of the
This year, I think it's great. So we had 44 teams. It was really interesting because each year we can see how the teams are getting better and better.
Part of our jobs here is not just interacting with teams here in the international rounds, but in the regional rounds as well. So we interact with not just the 40 or 44 teams that get here, but about 100 teams in different rounds, and just meeting with persons and seeing how encouraged they are by having participated and how much they've benefited from participating is a real satisfaction for me.
I think that's really the best part maybe of the competition, because people have the chance to get to know different nationalities, different people from different countries, and I know some of them are returning, and I'm sure that some of them will come back again as student judges, and they have some kind of a community that is growing, the Price Media Law Moot community that is getting bigger.
This is very important in that it takes those kind of experiences and exposes students from across the world to such scenarios that are real in other circumstances, in the case of Kenya, which is very important.
It's a very good platform where the freedom of expression has grown, and I think the experience that we get here will be able to be transmitted not only within our own institution, but also the country itself.
The competition, aside from the kind of how we're going in terms of winning and losing, has also been pretty rewarding, meeting a whole bunch of teams from around the world.
Putting yourself in the deep end. As I also said, this isn't something we do very often, at least the area of all that we're talking about. So it's to get new experiences.
Your Excellency, in the present case, Balaya's persecution is least intrusive to her right to freedom of expression and freedom of assembly.
It's really interesting to think of this case in its global context, and I was trying to play it through experiences that you might have had. I was thinking of the recent efforts in Germany to block Erdogan from speaking to Turkish voters in Germany about the Turkish election. And the world is really about these kinds of things.
After 48 hours nearly from the flight, I still cannot believe that we finally made it here. And yeah, and it was an honor to have the chance. I mean, this performance was not our very best performance, as we stopped practicing because we didn't think we are going to make it due to the visa issues and due to the holiday in Iran, as it is the New Year right now. So therefore, the fact that we are here and we get the chance, it is awesome, and I cannot express how honored I am.
Thank you.
You're here.
Yes, Your Excellency. As so long as the margin of appreciation can be extended to those countries and those nations in the same way that it can to the present circumstances.
But as the US Supreme Court in its seminal New York Times and Sullivan case stated, that such a requirement would impose a chilling effect on potential critics of public officials.
Very grateful and very happy to be the final. I think this is the third year. It's going to be difficult. We're not sure who the opponents are going to be, but nonetheless, whoever we meet is going to be tough. We wish all the best to them, but also we hope to win this one.
Yeah, I mean, we lost to, I think, the better team. Credit where credit's due, but we're all still very happy about our performances. We gave it our best, and I think it carried us this far, and we're pretty proud about that. But now we're going to go and hit 1 million pubs, because that's necessary right now.
I think we did our best. I'm honestly quite relieved that it's over, so I can sleep well tonight, finally.
I think my team deserved it. All their hard work and effort has paid off, and I'm very proud that they've won after all those months of hard work.
Absolutely relieved, but very tired as well. So I think I'm going to just go back and take a nap.
Year for the competition. It was the 10th year of the competition. It was amazing to see the kind of coalescence across borders, feeling and of intensity of interest. To me, the key point was talking to an Iranian student who was translating the first media law book from English into Farsi and trying to establish a kind of system of media law and practice in Iran. This is the kind of thing that the board aims to accomplish, to instill in people kind of pride and glory in what they're doing, and a sense of fulfillment.